This faucet by Glacier Bay is amazing. We love it to clean all our dishes. So just show you how it works. So here you have the hot and cold colors here. Obviously hot and then cold. And then let me give you a little wider shot there so you can see how it looks. So you would just turn it on, of course. You want it hot, you want it down. And that's how the water looks coming out. Let me just do it so I don't make a mess. That's how it looks like. You know, of course, press this button if you want it to be like that, as you can see. So press it again, on and off. And that's basically how it is. It's really, really nice. The stream is very, very nice. It's not super strong or anything, so it's great for cleaning dishes. And it just looks really nice. The stainless steel is very elegant. I really like it. So again, you would just turn it off just by doing that and doing that. So easy to install. If you're not sure how to do it, just have somebody help you with that. But you know, overall it's just installing the faucet. So pretty sturdy, as you can see. Doesn't, you know, stays in place. So definitely check it out. This is what you're looking for. You're gonna need this. So hope it helps you out, and hope it helps you clean some dishes.